Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And friends, Infosys first shift exam analysis I am going to do in this particular video. The question was easy. I will also tell you the puzzles question which was asked in shift 1, and based on that, even in the shift 1, the questions might come, and I will give you the complete information in this particular video. So this was one of the question 5, 58, 11, 12, 99, 8, 16, watt and 7. Now friends, here you could see 5 into 11, if you multiply and if you add 3 to it, you will be getting the middle number, correct? Same thing here, 12 into 8 will be 96. If you add 3 to it, you will be getting 99. Then again, 16 into 7 is 112 and plus 3 will be 115. Right? Oh, sorry. So 16 into 7, 6 ja 42, right? 2, 4. Yeah, 112. So 115, correct. 115 will be the correct answer. Now, the second puzzle was little tricky. So anyway, I will give you the complete information. Please watch the video till the end. And friends, please do one like, okay? Please do one like and comment, because we really put a lot of effort. We are already in contact with the student so that we can provide you the complete information, right? Okay, now here it is 10, 11, 16, 15, 18, 21. This was little tricky, but I will tell you how you could have solved. Now here, this 15 square is 225 and minus 10 square. So 225 minus 100, it was 125, correct? Then here, 18 square and then minus 11 square. So 324 and minus 121. So this was nothing but 203. And then here 16 square, sorry, 21 square and minus 16 square. So it was 441 minus 256. So 11 minus 6 is 5 and 10 minus 5 is 5, sorry, 13 minus 5 is 8 and 1, right? So 185. So here 185 was the answer. So this was the two puzzle, and one more was, okay, so two more was there, but whatever questions I got, so I'll solve it for you. So here 4 cross 4 was there. Okay, so 8, 3, 6, 26, 4, 9, 12, 112, 5, 7, 2, 19, 9, 6, 4 and what? Okay, so here basically 6 into 3 is 18 and 18 plus 8 is 26. 12 into 9 is 108. 108 plus 4 will be 112. 2 into 5 is, sorry, 2 into 7 is 14. So 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 will be 19. Now here 4 into 6 will be 24. 24 plus 9 will be what? 33. So here 33 was the answer. Okay. Now there is a WhatsApp group for the Infosys exam. I will just send these solutions to them so that they will be able to know the logic for this question. Okay, fine. Okay, now I will tell you the other information which you are looking. Complete information is here. Friends, one thing I wanted to tell you, the puzzles were there from the Infosys crash course itself. 80% of the question in the exam were on the similar things which we have already discussed. If we have watched the videos, if we have got the course, I'm telling you, right? See, now also the discussion is going inside the course. See, everything I will put it in front of live only, okay? So I don't know if you'll be able to write, but I will show you. Okay, so here, guys, paper was easy, really good. So this is the group. I don't know if you'll be able to see or not. So this is a cracker course inside that, okay? So you can go and see. So anyone, here all the discussion is going on, right? And it is clearly mentioned that the paper was easy, really good. Okay, so all these things anyway I'm going to tell you. So I hope these things are clear to you. Okay. So that's what I told you. If you would have not have bought, you'll regret today, and you cannot do anything basically. Now, if you'll pay 8,000 rupees also for this course, it's completely useless for you. I'm telling you. So that is the reason I was always telling you, friends, 800 rupees, at least today, if your exam would have been well in the Infosys, right? Okay, anyway. Now, so let us go back and see. So pattern wise, there is no change. So whatever pattern I had told you earlier, there is no change pattern wise, same thing. 120 minutes you will be getting. And I will also tell you what was the question of essay writing. Okay, so what was the question of essay writing? So essay writing, here it is, human life on another planet. So human life on another planet. Okay, so this was the essay which you had to, another planet, which you had to write in this particular essay writing question. Okay, see, anyway, I will be getting more and more information. Let me try to see if, you know, that student can reply. Okay. Then we will get more information. Okay, anyway. So essay writing, there was one question, and that question was human life on another planet. So section 1, your reasoning ability. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, hello, Yogesh.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So that's what I wanted to get some information.
What information?
Yeah, this Infosys exam you wrote, right?
The exam was really like easy.
It was easy. Correct.
Yeah, it was easy, but you will find some difficulties in that verbalizability part, as well as in that some questions of blood relations, and the puzzles was easy. Essay was easy.
Okay. Okay, what was the
and in technical ability and the technical ability.
Okay. So essay, what was question asked, and what was the time duration for essay?
No. There is no such specific time duration for any section.
Okay.
The duration was given for like whole exam. So you will be given like 2 hours, and you can choose any sections. Like if you want to do essay, you can do essay. If you want to do any question, you can do any question.
Okay.
It's not like that. Like you have to choose any
okay.
Any question
Okay. And
any specific section.
Okay. And do you remember what was this essay writing question was asked to you?
Yeah. Like the essay writing question was asked to me is that the impact of AI.
Impact of AI.
Yeah.
Okay.
Means, yes, it's kind of a story. You just need to make it.
Okay. And you were saying, right, this Infosys Cracker course was
200,
enough.
Minimum 200 words.
Okay, minimum 200 words. Okay. So this Infosys Cracker course helped you, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's what I wanted to ask. Other things I will take it. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So essay writing, one more question was impact of AI and human life on another, planet. Okay, fine. And then essay writing, minimum 200 words. And this 120 minutes, it's for entire reasoning, technical, verbal, pseudocode, numerical puzzles, and English grammar and English writing test. In English grammar, they had asked reading comprehension. Okay, so reading comprehension. Now, the guy Yogesh was telling, sir, we have to be little careful with verbal ability, and so we have to be little careful with verbal ability. Okay, and then one more thing he said, blood relation. So blood relation question was little tricky. So I'm not sure. So what was the question of blood relation? But blood relation videos has been already covered inside the course. So pattern wise, it remains same. Okay. Now next here, friends, laptop is not mandatory. Okay. So the exams are happening inside the lab. So laptop is not mandatory. Okay. Then any government ID is accepted. College ID is not mandatory. Any government ID, like, your generally see Aadhaar card, okay, Aadhaar card. If you have driving license, okay, DL. So these are the basically your photo and address both will be there. So this is actually required. Okay, laptop is not mandatory. Then okay, pen and paper. Okay, so pen and paper please take, they will not give. Pen and paper please take, they will not give. I will just mention the same in the groups. Okay, so pen and paper you have to take. Okay, okay, fine. So yes, anyway, so pen and paper you have to take. So take some 1 or 2 pens and take papers. So you can take papers like, you know, some 3-4 papers you take. 3-4 papers you take. One you have to give them and another one you can have with you. Minimum 2 puzzles you need to solve. Okay, there is no other go. Correct? Fine. And okay, backspace. Okay, one more important thing, friends, I wanted to tell you. So you can select section of your choice. So let me go back and explain you. Now suppose if you are okay, if you want to start this Infosys exam with technical ability is nothing but aptitude, So if you want to start your exam with technical ability, start with technical ability, start with reasoning, start with verbal ability, start with pseudocode, start with numerical puzzles, start with English grammar, and start with English writing test. Now, suppose if you are in pseudocode, okay, and if you want to jump to some other sections, you can jump in between that. So you can jump from here to there, there to here, here to there, that you can jump. Friends, cutoff wise, if you'll say, then the cutoff will be 60 to 70% except puzzles. So puzzles, if you have solved 2 questions, that is sufficient. But other section, 60 to 70% will be cutoff. Verbal ability, again, it will be less. Verbal ability, it will be 50%. Okay, because if the questions are easy, then definitely the cutoffs will go down. Okay, so 60 to 70%, like if it is 10, then 6 to 7 marks will be the cutoff. If it is 20, here verbal ability 10 is the cutoff. If it is 15, then 9 to 10 marks will be the cutoff. Okay, so and question also. Now suppose if you are writing reasoning section, okay, if you are writing reasoning section, now here question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. Now if question number 2 you are not able to answer, okay, now you solved 1, you solved 3, you solved 4, you solved 5, now you can come back to the question number 2. So that option is there, so you can come back and go to the next question. That is not a problem. And the exam was overall easy to moderate. Okay, now so then that's all. I hope this video will give you the clue. And again, if I get some more information, I'll bring it in front of you. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. I hope you have got the required information. Okay. And this will help you definitely to crack the Infosys exam easily. Thank you. And once again, if your exam is later on, friends, get this crash course later on. Please don't struggle. Don't regret. Bye bye. Take care.